This instructional video will demonstrate how to download the student data files, how to extract them, and then the next video will be about how to go ahead and use those data files. Now with our text, and with almost all of our assignments from the text, and in the text we're using Word, Excel, Access, and PowerPoint, and then we're going to integrate all of those pieces. Most of those assignments will require that we load some of these more generic data files. We'll make some edits to them. We may bold them. We may add some formulas into Excel spreadsheets. We may add some information to an Access database. We'll edit those, save those back, and then you submit those later. Okay, so and I'll have a separate video for that. Now, to go ahead and download these Office data files, we have one file link. And there's actually, let me step back for a second. There's two ways to do this, two ways to download these data files. On the inside back cover of your text, there's a set of instructions about how to go out to course.com and download those data files. I've also, just to keep it simple, put those data files out here on our course site, just so they're available. You know where to get them. There's no problem. Now, with this link, and with this Office 2010 Student Data Files exe file, this is a compressed file that contains 138 Word, Excel, Access, and PowerPoint files. Okay, so there's all these files stuffed inside of this particular 10 megabyte self-extracting file. Okay, so here's the link on our site, and I'm going to put that on every page of our Office 2010 stuff, of our Office 2010 sections. Now, just click on that, and up comes this Opening Office 2010 Student Data Files. I'm going to go ahead and save that file. As it saves, by default, it saves to the Downloads directory in your on your computer. Now, you may have changed the download, depending upon your browser and the settings, you may have changed that Downloads directory to something else. By default, it's Downloads. So, although it's off the bottom of your screen, I'm going to go to Start, Computer, Downloads, and then I can find Office 2010 Student Data Files. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, and actually I've downloaded this twice, let me take the first one. I'm going to double click on that and then run this. Now, with this WinZip self-extractor, as it runs, the default directory it saves these files into is C, Course Technology, Illustrated, Microsoft Office Illustrated, Introductory, Data Files. Okay, so it's going to go ahead and dump all of those files into that particular data files directory. So let's go ahead and unzip this. And you can see it's unzipping, it's taking those files out of that main self-extracting compressed file. 138 files unzipped successfully. We'll OK that. Now let's go back to drive C. I'm going to go clear here on my left and just go to drive C. Look at Course Technology. There's Illustrated. There's Microsoft Office, directory files, and then data. Now notice that you have a long file name with these data files. But if we go into this, we'll see that there's, to begin with, Word Unit A files, Word Unit B, Word Unit C, Excel, Access, and so this is where you'll find all of those data files. Now, if we go into Word Unit B, for instance, these are the different data files that it asks you to use, depending upon the assignment that you're doing. So this is where you'll find those data files. Again, let's go into Word really quickly and remember where these are. We'll go into Word. Okay, I'm going to go to File, clear on the left-hand side, Open. I'm going to go to Drive C, Course Technology, Illustrated, Microsoft Office Data Files, to that directory, and then I can go ahead and open Word B1 DocX. And so in this case, what the assignment may have me do is go in and highlight some information, change the font size, do a number of different things. Okay, so I think that that's all you need to know about how to download these particular data files and how to access them. The next video is going to demonstrate how to create a directory structure you might save your homework assignments in, and then again, just like I demonstrated here at the very end of this video, it'll also demonstrate how to go ahead and load those files into Word. Okay, thank you.